In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the best female voice in ElevenLabs. Whether you're venturing into creating content with a focus on voiceovers, or if you're just curious about enhancing your digital projects with refined and popular voice options, this guide will help you navigate the features of ElevenLabs to find the best female voice available. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to begin by navigating to your ElevenLabs homepage. This is your starting point for exploring the vast range of voice options they offer. If you're not already familiar with the layout, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the navigation bar, as it will be your guide throughout this process. Once you're on the homepage, the next step is to click on the Voices tab. This section is your gateway to the diverse voice library that ElevenLabs has curated. By focusing here, you're taking the first step towards discovering a voice that perfectly matches your needs. Now, in the Voices section, direct your attention to the Trending Voices area. This is where you'll find the voices that are currently popular among users, which often means these voices have been well received for their quality and versatility. Clicking on this section will provide you with a list of voices that are trending at the moment. As you explore these trending voices, you'll notice that there are various filters available. These filters can help you narrow down your search, but for our purpose today, you'll want to close or clear any filters that don't align with your goal of finding the best female voice. By doing this, you ensure that you're seeing the most relevant and widely used voices without unnecessary clutter. Once you've adjusted the filters to your preference, you'll notice that the voices at the top of the list are the most commonly used by other users. These voices have gained popularity due to their exceptional quality and appeal, making them excellent choices for your projects. Take the time to listen to a few samples to get a feel for which voice resonates best with your intended use. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully navigated the ElevenLabs platform to find the best female voice available. Remember, the key is to explore the options and trust your intuition about what sounds best for your project needs. Don't hesitate to experiment with different voices until you find the perfect match. Thanks for tuning in, and happy voice selecting!